My video tutorial is about getting rid of the ransomware called Mitu. This Mitu is the ransomware belonging to the DJVU ransomware family. This ransomware encrypts files and appends the special Mitu extension additionally to the file names, so it is impossible to use the files anymore. The ransomware tells the victims then that they need to pay a special ransom for file recovery. Of course, my video is only for the educational purposes. I'm not related to this ransomware. I'm not promoting this ransomware. In the video, I will just demonstrate to you the consequences of the ransomware attack. So, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the computer system, this Mitu ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the device. And then users realize that they can no longer access their data. The ransomware tells its victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file recovery. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is not a good solution. If you pay it, most likely you will just waste your money without getting your data recovered. So then very soon users see indeed that the special Mitu extension has been additionally appended to the file names. Removing this extension manually does not fix the issue. I recommend you to immediately undertake the measures and get rid of this ransomware with the help of a reliable anti-ransomware program. I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner for this purpose. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download it, install the software, and then once it gets installed, click on this Start Scan button. The program is initially in the trial mode, only quick scan option is available, and so then the scanning will begin. I want to emphasize your attention on the feature of Combo Cleaner called Anti-Ransomware. This feature allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. And this feature does not decrypt files. It helps to remove this ransomware and to protect the data, but it does not decrypt the files. At the end of the scan, you'll see the full summary of all the threats, their names, their locations. Some threats can be removed manually, but premium license is a much better solution that will help you to always get your data protected. Also, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to recover your files.